everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to create 10 web AI account. So if you also want to create 10 web AI account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in 10web.io, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of 10web. From here you'll be able to launch and grow your business. Over here you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for AI, e-commerce, WordPress, domains, pricing, talk to sales. If you want to log into your account, you can log into your account by simply clicking on the option login or sign in that you can see right over here. But if you want to create the 10web AI account, simply click on the option get started for free that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for generate, recreate, auto migrate. You can create a new website with AI, or you can convert a non-WordPress site to WordPress with AI, or you can also migrate WordPress site to 10web hosting. Choose how you want to proceed. After that, simply click on the option proceed that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the question what kind of website do you want to create. You can see the options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. After that, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply answer the question that is being displayed on the screen. Click on this box that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to see the options. Simply click on the option of your choice. After that, click on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to another interface. Over here, you'll have to enter the site info. First of all, enter the company name. Click right over here, enter the company name. Describe the company. Now answer this question, do you own a domain for your website? After that, click on the next option that you can see right over here. Now wait for a while. Now AI will create your website structure. Now you can see over here AI has created your site structure. You can modify your site structure if you want. If you're satisfied with the site structure, simply click on the next option that you can see on your screen. Now you'll have to style your future website. You can see the colors over here. Simply click on the colors of your choice. Also select the font. You can see this option right over here. Simply click on it. Now from here you'll be able to select the font. Click on the font that you like the best. Also, you can select the style. Simply click on the style of your choice. After that, what you have to do is click on the generate option that you can see right over here. After that, your website will be AI generated. You can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Your website is waiting for you. You can see over here, from here, you'll be able to sign up for your account. You can fill in the email address, first name, last name and password. After that, click on the sign up option, or you can also continue with Google. Here I'm just going to continue with Google. Simply click on the option continue with Google. After that, what you have to do is choose an account to continue. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply click on the continue option. Now wait for a while. Now AI will generate your personalized website. Now you can see over here your website was successfully created with AI. You can preview and edit if you want. Simply click on the option preview and edit. Now over here you'll be able to see your website. Now you can see over here your account has been created. So that is how you create 10web AI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.